Okay, let's have a look at some other examples to draw. Now I've got these ones here, and I've got a y is 7 minus 2x. Pencil over there or something. Let's have a look. So y is 7 minus 2x on 4. Now this one here, we need to get into gradient intercept if we're going to do anything particularly useful with it. So here it goes. We've got y is equal to 7 minus 2x over 4. Now the thing to realize is this is another way of writing, and I can rewrite this with everything over a 4. We've got 7 over a 4, and we've got a minus 2x over a 4. And that's all that means, yeah? So what I'd like to do now is just put this one over here and this one over here. So what we're going to end up with is y is negative 2x on 4. And we've got a plus, I'll put a plus, and that just means and, a 7 on 4. And there is my gradient intercept form now. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn this into a graph. So the first thing is, I'm noticing I've got a 2 on a 4. Well, a negative 2 on a 4, that's going to be, well, if I divide this by 2, I get a 1. If I divide this by 2, I get a 2. So I've got y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 7 over 4. Or you could have written that equal to negative x on 2. In other words, negative 1x on 2 means the same thing, plus 7 over 4. So my gradient is 1/2, negative 1/2. So put m is equal to negative 1/2. There it is. This is my rise. This bit over here is my run. So when I'm drawing this, nice and straightforward, here it is, my origin here, I've got a y here and an x here. I'm going to start at 7 over 4. Now what is 7 over 4? Now if you're not sure, nice and straightforward. Just put it straight into the calculator and you can find out. So here we go. Let's go 7 divided by 4 equals, and we get 1.75. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to say this is going to be 1. Well, here's a 1. Here is a 2. So it's going to be about there, yeah? That's why 1.75. So I'm going to 7 on 4. I put 1.75. That's my y-intercept. And from this point, I'm going to go 2 along and 1 down. So 2 along, 1, 2, and 1 down. So it's going to be the same point about there, yeah? Because it's 1.75 there as well. So it's going to be there. And then 2 along, 1, 2, and then 1 down, which is just going to fall just beneath that one there, and so on. So now I can draw that up. There it is. Oh, I missed a few things. I missed the points. But there, anyway, there is my graph, and that's how you draw that. The other way of drawing it, which is probably even better to get real accuracy, is to draw yourself up a table. And you could have my x here, and you can have the y over here. Now y is going to be negative half x, or I could actually just do the whole thing. Actually, I'm going to go 7 minus 2x on 4. Here we go. 7 minus 2x on 4, all over 4 like that. And now I'm just going to work out what that number is. So let's give it a number. Let's give it a 2. Let's say x was 2. What would y be? Here we go. So you're going to go 7. So you're going to go 7 minus, why is that not in focus? Thank you. Crikey. 7. So I'll put in brackets. 7 minus 2 times, well, x is 2. Yeah. Close the brackets, divided by 4. And I get 0.75. So when x is 2, here it is, x is 2. This is going to be 0.75. Yeah? What about if x was 1? Let's try x is 1. This is going to be 0.75. What's that? X was 1. Let's put 1 into this thing here. So I've got 7. Here it is. Open it to brackets. 7 minus 2 times 1, close brackets, divided by 2. Divided by 4. And I get 1.25. So it's going to be 1.25. There it is. So if x is 1, it's going to be 1.25. Here it is. Here it is 1. It's going to be 1.25. This is my 1.25. And if it's 0, let's go if x is 0. So I'll put 0 into all this. Here it is. You've got 7 minus 2 times 0, we didn't really need to do that, but anyway, divided by 4, and we're going to get 1.75. And so on. And therefore, there's my 0 at 1.75. And you could just keep plotting points. So this is my x point, and this one here really is what you call my y point, my y-intercept. So that's another way of drawing those. Hope that makes sense.